Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Hey, Hare, you want to hear the second most annoying sound in the world?
Sure. Yeah, that's pretty annoying.